Good morning friends. Today we are going to study about how to solve linear equations by graphical method. So here I am taking two equations. First one is 3y minus x is equal to 4 and second is 3x minus y is equal to minus 7. Now this 3y minus x is equal to 4. In this equation, this is a simple kind of equation because here already you have a variable which is having coefficient as 1, so it becomes very simple. In this case, keep this variable alone and write it has 3y minus 4 is equal to x, that is x is equal to 3y minus 4. So when you write one variable in a form of other, it becomes more simpler to solve such kind of equation. And try to write that variable alone which has coefficient 1 or even coefficient, and if both are odd coefficient, prefer 5 to be alone. So here x was having coefficient 1, which makes it very simple, so I am writing x in a form of y. So here you can easily substitute value of y. So like if y is equal to 1, then it will give me x is equal to 3 into 1 minus 4. So this gives me x is equal to minus 1. So here I get x as minus 1 and y was 1. So same way here we can take another. If y is equal to 2, if I substitute y is equal to 2, x will be 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 4, that is 2. So y is 2, x is 2. And third one, if y is equal to 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. So x will be equal to 5. So we got our 3 points. So first one is minus 1, 1. Second one is 2 and 2. And third is 5 and 3. This was a simple equation where one of the coefficient was having, one of the variable was having coefficient as 1. So it's simple. Now come to this equation. Here we are having 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. In this case, neither x has coefficient 1, neither y has coefficient 1. So such type of equation, it becomes difficult for most of the student to solve. So they keep on thinking what we should take a value of x or we should take a value of y. So in such kind of equations, what you should do is keep even number with you. Like your even number, that is y is having even number minus 4. Mostly they will give you coefficient 2, 4, 6, 8. These are very rare in a graphical method. So don't worry about that. So here it is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. You can write this as 3x plus 7 is equal to 4y. So it can be written as y is equal to 3x plus 7 upon 4. Now we can easily substitute value of x. If x is equal to 1, okay, if I substitute x is equal to 1, what it will give me? Y is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 7, that is 10 upon 4. 10 upon 4 can be reduced to y is equal to 5 upon 2, which is 2.5. On graph we can take a point till 1 decimal point. It is okay, we can take that. But if you take your odd, you need to think it should get perfectly divisible, because if you take some odd number 3, 7, then you will get a recurring number and it is not possible to plot a recurring number on a graph. That's why go for such odd number, even numbers. If x is equal to 1, we got y is equal to 2.5. Then if I take x is equal to 2, then what happens? This is 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 7 will give me 13, and 13 divided by 4, it will go till 2 decimal point. So I should not go with that. So what I will do, I will take x is equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 7, if x is equal to 3. 3 3s are is 9. 9 plus 7 gives me 16. 16 divided by 4, that is 4. Okay, and if I take x is equal to 4, then 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 7 gives me 19. Again it is not divisible. You will get a decimal, 2 decimal points. So you cannot represent that on the graph. So what you should do, x is equal to 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 7 give me 22. So if x is equal to 5, y is equal to 15 plus 7, 22 upon 4, which is reduced to 11 upon 2, and 11 upon 2 is nothing but 5.5. So what are my points that I got? First, when x is 1, y is 2.5, 1 comma 2.5. When x is 3, y is 4. Okay, and when x is 5, y is 5.5. So these are the 3 points which we need to represent on a graph. So we got 3 points for each of the graph. Now we are going to plot a graph of this, and wherever these two lines will intersect, that will be the solution of these two equations. So this is the graphical representation of the equations which we have solved. Okay, points to be noted. First thing, draw graph properly, plot points properly. Okay, because that is going to give us the solution. So be careful in that. Second thing, when you draw a graph, like this is a graph of 3y minus x is equal to 4, you can easily see I have represented that. I have written on the line, this is the graph of this equation. Second, scale. Don't forget to write scale. On both axes we are taking equal length. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 units. No need to write separately because we are taking same on that. Okay, now this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Don't forget to write that. Now main important thing, what is that? Solution. What is the solution? Wherever these 2 points intersect, so these 2 points are intersecting at point minus 1 comma 1. That's why the solution is minus 1 comma 1, that is x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1.